everyone, Brittany Hannon with Brittany Hannon Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about my journey into real estate and how I got started. But before we get started, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and we are going to jump in. Growing up, I have so many memories of driving around, looking at big mansions, going to open houses, going to see model homes. I loved doing that. As I got older, I started to help people shop for cars and shop for apartments and shop for houses. I just thought that was a really fun thing to do. I loved doing that. My career took a little bit of a different path. My career began in 2001 in education when I very quickly worked my way up to become a school administrator. And so for almost 20 years, I worked in customer service and making sure our parents were happy, our students were happy, our teachers were happy, teaching, guiding, training, and educating each of those people to make sure that they had the best experience possible. In that almost 20-year career, I was able to hone many skills, including running a business, marketing, advertising, of course, customer service, and much of that translates very well into real estate. So when I was starting to think about the next steps of my journey, I knew that I loved real estate. And so I started studying up and I started figuring out what I wanted to do next and what that might look like. And I kind of stumbled into real estate investing. And I thought that that was a great thing to do because I could do that on the side and still have my career, which I loved. And so I got into real estate investing. Living in Southern California, it is very expensive. And so I knew that to get started, I would need to start looking out of state. And so the very first property I purchased was an out-of-state investment property. I bought a fourplex in Dayton, Ohio. And from that, I learned so many things about the investing process, about the real estate process, about buying and selling and fixing things up and all kinds of things that now I've been able to take and use in so many different ways from that one transaction. In April of 2019, I decided that I wanted to make the jump from just investing part-time to being a real estate agent. I wanted to make sure that I knew the ins and outs of every piece of the transaction. I thought this is something that I could do well and that I would love. And so in January 2020, I made the decision to go full-time into real estate. I love real estate, whether you're looking for an investment property, whether you're looking for a beachfront vacation home, a cozy family home in the suburbs, or a downtown modern apartment. I'm here to help you and I would love to start working with you. So reach out, I'm always here for you. Send me a message, write in the comments, send me a text, whatever it is, I would love to help you. I would love to be of service. So that's my journey into real estate. If you want to know more, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you hear every time that something comes up from me. Definitely click that like button and comment below if you want to see more.